My name is Munir Thabit. I'm the CEO for Grain Industries Limited. And today has been one of the good days for us, one of the many good days for us, in the sense that Bureau Veritas officially handed over the certificate of ISO 22000 food safety, which is a great milestone for the company, taking into account that we started operations on the 9th of August 2017, a day after elections, and then within a short period of time being ISO certified. That shows the level of commitment by the staff and the team Ajab, so to speak. ISO certification is a certification for the safety of the food products that ensures that every batch and every piece of grain is actually their safety standards and safety procedures HACCP that ensure that the customer benefits from food that has been quality assured.
There is nothing better than how you have put it. The products that will be coming from the grain industries, they have been certified to be safe for human consumption. Not only has it been certified here in Kenya, but also it has been certified now globally. This food is no different from any other food that someone can be served with in any other country. So what I'm saying, I'm telling my customers is that now you can select products from grain industries with an assurance of quality. The quality is the key, that we are bringing the product to you when it has been milled selectively with a lot of care and concern, and also has been packed, putting that into consideration, and it is being delivered to you in your own home in the same condition as it was produced. So really, we have put procedures in place to ensure that food is safe all the way, from the raw materials, from the processing, to our warehousing, to the storage, even when we are delivering the products to the shop near you or to the supermarket, we are assuring you that this is a quality product.
One positive or one strong point that came out during this process of certification for Grain Industries Limited was the human capital. They have invested in human capital and capacity building, which is a plus for them, because as a young company and putting that as a strategy, as part of the strategy of their growth, this is a strong point and this is outstanding. Number two is the level of equipment sourcing and maintenance that they have invested is comparable to any milling company globally. So these are strong points that you can see.